Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. I am sweatered up, bundled up. I'm cold. It's been in like 50s, 40s, 30s at night. And so we opened up the slider in our bedroom to let the cool air in instead of running the AC at night. And so I have been waking up to a very, very cold house. So if you felt my fingertips right now, you'd be like, oh, what the heck, Jen? They are cold. Anyways, sweaters. We have reached the time of the year where I get to wear sweaters and cardigans again, so I am happy about that. Anyways, today we have an Amazon Prime wardrobe personal shopper bag. The personal shopper is somebody at Amazon or a fancy computer picks out all these items for you based off of a style survey, and you can put in specific requests for each box. I think this one I just kind of asked for some straight leg jeans, so I'm excited because I think I got a few pair of jeans here, and then they send you a preview, and they send you, I don't know, 15, 16 items, and out of that you can have up to 8 items sent to you. So I have 8 gems here. I very much enjoyed this service. This is one that I am going to, stuff's starting to fall out, discontinue getting because I am easing off of the clothes shopping slowly. Not as quickly as I would have liked, but I'm getting some fall stuff, some winter stuff, stocking up, and then, I'll shop less. So anyways, I think this is one that I will discontinue, but I have really enjoyed it because it's just a $5 styling fee, and I almost have felt like the service works as like a deal hunter where I've gotten some really, really great prices on things that maybe when you go look at it later, the price has gone up. Amazon prices, they jump around quite a bit. So I have been very happy with the service. They have sent me mostly stuff that is within my style. So whether it's a stylist or computer algorithm, I have felt like it has worked well. So everything is going to be individually wrapped. So I will grab it, unwrap it, and then we will discuss it. Okay, first item here, and it's taking me a second to figure out. This is by Sugar Lips, and it is a kind of a cami type thing, but a complicated one, if you will. So it looks like almost a wrap front, and this is gonna be hard to see since it's black, but almost a wrap front with a tie to it. So we'll see what that's like on. It's very interesting. Might be interesting to wear, a cardigan or jacket over it. Oh, we'll see. Okay, first pair of jeans, and I'm excited. Like I said, I think I've got a few pairs here. This is the Arrow Straight Ankle by Jessica Simpson, and I think these were like super, super affordable, I want to say. Again, I feel like it found me a great deal. So this is size 25 and a simple straight leg. I think this is a non-distress, which is good because I think it's not going to be too long before I end up back in the office, so I have to think about clean pair of pants that I can wear to the office. So I have high hopes for this pair. Next up, we have another Jessica Simpson, and this appears to be a very long cardigan. So I definitely have cardigans in this color, no doubt. I mean, this is just like the most epic fall color, and it's very soft, by the way. I really like it. Let's look at the material list here super quick. 50% viscose, 29% polyester, and 21% nylon. But I don't have a long cardigan like this. So very excited to see what that looks like. I feel like on my petite frame that something of this length might not work, but we'll see. Next up, I was intrigued by this plaid blazer. It is by BB Dakota, which has been a pretty good brand for finding jackets that actually fit my size that are not extra, extra small. So I don't really need something like this, but I was also, if it's like an amazing fit, maybe I could find some room for it. It is good fall color, so I like that. So there you go. It doesn't feel like the nicest quality. It's almost a little linen-y. Okay, let's see. Okay, well, it's not linen. It's mostly polyester. So the outside is 28% polyester and 2% elastane. So, okay. The next pair of jeans, this is kind of a acid washed type look to it. Not super acid washed, but almost like lightly acid washed. Does have some distressing, looks to be straight leg again. This is by Daily Ritual, which is an Amazon brand. I don't know that I've had much luck with the Amazon brand jeans, but I am interested to try them. So there you go. Next up, we have by BB Dakota again, and it is this burgundy cami, which is really, really pretty. I like this. It does have adjustable straps, which is a must for me because otherwise I am tiny and then the front dips down too low. Also, if this is not too expensive, I think this will definitely stay. I would love to put this under a tan jacket or cardigan or something, and I think that is super cute, and I think it'll work nice under the blazer, which I think is how they had it paired up. So love that. Then we have this buffalo plaid. I think, is this big enough checkered to be considered buffalo plaid? I think so. I don't know. You can correct me if I'm wrong. This is by Find, which again I think is an Amazon brand. I'm not positive on that. And it's kind of a cropped boxy sweater, but that's exactly what I'm wearing right now, is a cropped boxy sweater, and I'm kind of liking the look. I was very against it last year. I wanted long, I wanted slim. This year I'm kind of okay with cropped and boxy. So anyways, I'm very interested to try this on and see what we think. Kind of has a little bit of a mock neck maybe to it. And in case anybody's wondering, it is 100% acrylic. I don't really know what acrylic is, but it is 100% of it. Okay, the very last piece, we have our final pair of jeans. This is by The Drop, which I have not heard of that. Kind of a medium wash here. Again, looks to be a straight leg, cuffed here, though I don't think that is tacked. Yeah, it's not a sewn cuff. It's just the way they sent it, though. It's just the way it was sent. So, okay. I like these. I like all the jeans. I like all the tops. I'm actually really, really, really excited to try all this stuff on. I'm really happy with this particular bag. Great fall, great warm pieces. Let's get to it. Okay, so first outfit, I have 3 of the pieces on. So let's start with the jeans. I honestly don't know how I feel about them. For some reason, I'm not super excited. They are straight leg like I was asking for. Just for some reason, I just am not getting excited. And I don't know if it's just like I have so many distressed pairs of jeans that clean jeans just seem boring. I don't know. So I rolled up one pant leg and left the other one down because I'm struggling with knowing what I like with these pants. So what do you guys think? The roll up is kind of awkward with the straight leg. Just doesn't lay the best. But I like the look of the roll up better when it comes down to the ankle. And maybe these are just an awkward length for me. I don't know. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on that. Now, moving on up. The blazer, I like, and it is a good fit. It's definitely a good fit. I have no complaints there. Sleeve length, shoulders, anything like that. But I know that I got some blazers in my trunk clubs and I was obsessed with them. And so I kept them. So I'm not obsessed with this blazer. I don't know if it's just not a perfect enough fit. Like I said, it fits well, but I don't know if it's not a perfect enough fit or it's just because I'm not a big fan of this pattern. I don't know, but I'm not obsessed with it. Then finally, we have the cami, which I am obsessed with. It does have a double layer to it, which is nice. Has the perfect level of like looseness, but not too tight. And then even I like the length. I feel like I have a lot of loose camis like this that go kind of down to here. And so I end up with a tuck and then it goes like this. And so I prefer a shorter cami like this. So really, really happy with this piece. So there you go. Great cami. Next outfit. Okay, so 3 more pieces on. This box worked out well to create 3 outfits out of it. So let's kind of start at the top, since the elephant in the room is probably me holding the top together. So it's kind of this double layer. You have this blouse layer here, kind of a shinier material. And then you have kind of more of a faux wrap layer underneath that. And it does have a button, but the button is down here and I'm just gaping wide open. So unfortunately, I'm just gonna hold my hand here for the rest of this. So the cardigan is a great fit. I do my like little arm test and it's a great fit. The sleeves are a little bit long, but they are gonna be easily rollable. And I did wanna show you, it's kind of an interesting sleeve, the way it does that. I could take it or leave it, and like I said, most likely it'll end up getting rolled. I really like it though. I think it's really cute. I like the long length. I don't have anything like this. Let me button it, and I'm gonna turn around for that because my shirt will gape open. I put a single button on. It doesn't really work with this black top underneath it, but I think it's cute. I think I prefer it unbuttoned now that I see that, but we'll see what the price is on this, but it may be a keeper. Now, the jeans are like a really nice slouchy feel. So this is more of a super casual slouchy. I've got actually a similar pair that I wear a lot that kind of have similar slouchy vibes, although this would definitely have more stretch than that. I did throw a second roll on at the bottom because the first roll was still too long, but I don't know. I mean, I feel like it lays a little bit weird. Again, rolling straight legs, it's not always the easiest thing to do, but I feel like it gives a nice, cute, casual, comfy look to it. So I don't know. Again, I'm on the fence with these. I don't know why I'm not loving them, but so far I'm just not loving the jeans. But all right, one final outfit. Okay, last outfit, and whew, I like this sweater. It has a nice thickness to it. I like, if I'm gonna wear a sweater, I really enjoy it to be super thick and cozy. So I'm really happy with that. I don't know that I'm like obsessed with the look of it. I'll need to look at myself in the mirror a little bit more. Let me use the viewfinder here. So I like it. I definitely like it. I do like that it is a little bit of a shorter sweater. I like that look. So I don't know. Now the jeans I really like. They're a really good fit. I don't have to wear a belt with them, but they're still loose and cozy. A straight leg. I put a single roll here at the bottom and I like that look. So I'm actually pretty happy with these until I just noticed, you know, the little, you know, crotch extra room. Not a huge fan of that. Let's pull. I don't know. I hope that's not a deal breaker. There's just a little extra fabric here, but that's okay. That doesn't necessarily put it out of the running because again, very cute and cozy, and probably only I would see that when sitting down. So I'm pretty pleased with this outfit, but I have no idea yet what I'm going to keep. So let's go over prices and attempt to make that decision. Okay, so starting at the top here. Okay, we have the Sugar Lips Women's Cami 3337, and as you guys saw, I had to hold it. It was not a good fit. It's not even really my, I don't know, it's not my cup of tea. So, no, not keeping. Next, we have the Amazon brand Daily Ritual Destructed High-Rise Slim Straight Jean Vintage Destructed, $39. And I wore this for just a little bit just to see what I think. And at first it's like, yeah, I'm going to keep them. And then I just decided the crotch was just too saggy. And I don't think I'm going to keep it. But it was close. It was a very close contender to being kept. Then we had the Jessica Simpson Women's Aero Straight Ankle Jean, $14.50. So $15. Now, obviously, I was a bit underwhelmed with them. I have nothing bad to say about them. I just was like not that excited. And I think it's just because I really like destructive jeans, and plain jeans now are just like, I'm never going to be excited about a jean that doesn't have a hole in it for some reason. But I will need some good, clean, non-destructive pants for work here coming up in the new year. So I think that this is going to be a keeper because $15. So, yay! All right, next up we have the BB Dakota Junior Crazy Little Thing Bubble Crate Tank with velvet trims, $46.39. So I was really disappointed with the price of it, and I might just put it kind of on my watch list to see if it does go down in price, because I really, really like this. I want this very much. I don't know that I struggle to pay 46 bucks for kind of a cami. So, I mean, it's a blouse cami. It's a fancy cami. It does have a velvet trim. It's very nice. So I think I'll put that on my watch list, and then if it goes down in price, then snatch it on up. Okay, then we have the Amazon brand Find. They just call it the women's jumper. $36.47. I do think I have to keep this because I did wear this for a little bit just to see. Super cozy. It felt great. Kind of sweating a little bit. So it's mine now because I sweat in it. Okay, next we have the Drop Women's Westwood Mid-Rise Loose Fit Boyfriend Jeans, $54.90. I just didn't like how they fell. I didn't like how they hit. They are a more slouchy boyfriend fit, which I do like, but it just, I don't know. It was like the knee down was just not my favorite. So, not going to keep that. Then we have the BB Dakota Juniors Just Checking In Fitted Plaid Blazer, $33.61. That's a great price for this. Really great price. Again, I put it on. I just wasn't obsessed with it. I don't know if it's the fit or the pattern or both, but I just wasn't obsessed enough with it. So even though that's a good price, I'm not going to keep that. And then finally, we have the Jessica Simpson Women's Layla Cardigan Sweater Duster with Pockets, $46.20. I'm kind of on the fence on this one. I like it. I don't know. One of the things like this is like, you know, once it comes time to wear this, then I tend to wear a jacket. And it's like, how do you do this with a jacket? And I feel like I'm already past the time of year where I would wear this without a jacket, because it's like 70 degrees and anything below that, and Jen needs a jacket. So I just don't know that I find this to be all that practical. I don't really want a huge long cardigan hanging out of the bottom of a jacket. So I think I'm not going to keep it, but, you know, subject to change my mind later. That's the beauty of Amazon, is you can totally change your mind later. I had a dress in the last one that I did not keep because, I don't know, I just thought I wouldn't use it. Everybody overwhelmingly was like, keep that dress. So it's like I got to go back and buy it, and it was actually cheaper later. So, sweet. Anyways, that's it. That's my haul, or my Prime wardrobe personal shopper box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Love to hear your thoughts on all these pieces. Did you have a favorite pair of denim? Did you like tops? What do you think? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.